completely different because once the FDA will approve it with the EUA, we'll know all the data about the study, all the regulatory stuff, etc. It wasn't the same when we approved the third dose. By then, we knew already all the side effects and everything. We had experience. This is different. But I'm pretty sure that once the FDA will approve it with the EUA, very short time after, the Ministry of Health with our committee will approve it as well. I'm pretty sure.
Doctor, many parents, even vaccinated parents, they are going to be extremely reluctant about giving their 5-year-old kid a COVID vaccine. What would you tell them about why it's necessary, why they should do it, even for little kids?
Well, first of all, we saw already that the vaccine was given by millions of people all around the world, and the millions of children, or 10 or even more millions of children around the world on the age of 12 and older than that. So we already have experience. The other thing is that parents know in Israel and in other countries that the young children in the lower grade must get as soon as possible to normal life. And this cannot happen until they will be vaccinated, because in most of the low grades school and in the kindergarten, every few weeks there is one or more children in the class that get COVID, and then everybody is get into lockdown, and this is not a normal life.
But are kids getting sick? I mean, 5-year-olds, 6-year-old kids, if they get the virus, are they actually getting sick from it, or are they asymptomatic generally?
Well, it depends. Of course, they get it milder than older children, and then adults. However, we know that still children have complications, like the long COVID, that we know that about 5% of the children suffer for it after the infection. We know that we have the PIMS, the MIS-C, the inflammatory process of the COVID. So children can be complicated with the infection itself. So I must say that I won't try their parents, they said, okay, let's challenge them. Let's let them just get over it with the natural infection. Absolutely not.
Doctor, thank you so much for your time on the Zoom In show. Great to have you.